What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a phenomenal freaking day. And this video, as you can see, is going to be exactly what the freaking title is, because I am so stinking tired of WhistlinDiesel messing up all of his Duramaxes, considering I'm a big Duramax fan, and all that guy seems to do is love to hate them and destroy them and break them and demolish them. And that's messed up, guys. I don't care who you are. That's messed up. WhistlinDiesel, this video is for you, buddy. We're going over to my buddy's campground, Sil's campground, Sil's family campground over in Adamstown here in Adamstown, PA. So if you guys are looking for a camping spot, do me a favor, look them guys up on Google, Sil's family campground. Really awesome people over there. Great campground to go to camp. We're heading over there to get what we need for this video. What are you looking at me for, man? This is why Mom doesn't love you.
You're just like your father.
I love all my fans. I do. I love them. But this video goes out to WhistlinDiesel personally. Personally to WhistlinDiesel. Oh, dude, that's so cool. That guy has a freaking skeleton on his truck back there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. That's so cool. That's freaking awesome.
I want one.
That is so awesome. Becca. Hi, Becca. How are you? You're looking exceptionally ugly today.
Oh, thank you. I really tried hard this morning.
I can tell. I can tell. Did you wake up like that?
Yes.
I believe it. Oh, that's the perfect. That is literally the perfect thing that we need right now, dude. That is definitely. Oh my God, you got tons of them. We need the biggest one here. We just need one. One big one will do it.
The smallest one. I think that one.
Which one? This one here? Oh,
another one in the far corner.
That one there? Oh my God.
So many decisions.
I know, right? Seriously. That one, well, that one would be good. Zach, go over there and get that one. Put that one back.
Which one?
I don't know if you guys know what we're about to do here, but it's gonna be entertaining. Becca, are you gonna help?
No.
Why not?
Why would I?
Can we? No. Damn it. We can't do it here. Where are you going?
I'm gonna go do laundry like an adult.
All right, well, thank you for the pumpkin, buddy.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. You're the man. All right, guys, hopefully the wind noise is not too bad around here. I got my mic thingy in there, so it shouldn't be too terrible. But what we're going to do for my good old buddy WhistlinDiesel is we're going to carve WhistlinDiesel a pumpkin. I know, right? We're going to carve him a pumpkin, and it's going to be freaking amazing, guys. So let's get started carving him a pumpkin. Oh, by the way, knivesdeal.com, 10% off, use promo code DFR if you'd like to buy this awesome knife that we're going to use to carve this pumpkin.
Okay, no hole in the top. No hole in the top.
How are we supposed to get this stuff? Oh, never mind.
This is what I'm working with, YouTube.
So traditionally, you carve a hole in the top here, take all the guts out. We're going to do something a little bit differently. We're going to carve it in the back here and get all the guts out that way.
For our special plan later.
I like it when it goes in there nice like that.
Yeah?
Nice and smooth like silk.
Demonetized. Look at that. That's
Oh
perfect.
my God, this thing's cutting great.
Is it how soft the pumpkin is, or
That's what
how
she
sharp
said.
the knife is? Wow.
Alright. There's our pumpkin side hat right there. Can you put that in the bag, please? Luckily, this pumpkin's really soft to cut. Kind of like WhistlinDiesel's feelings. We're going to go in here and get nitty gritty, guys. We're not afraid to get dirty. You know what I mean? Oh, take that all out.
Oh, you're making a mess.
Well, now I'll grow pumpkins for next year.
Wow.
So, now that we have the back of our pumpkin carved out, we obviously have to put some sort of a jack-o'-lantern painting on here. And boys, do I have the best design. Like I said, sorry about the wind noise. It is kind of windy, kind of sucks. But we're just gonna deal with it, all right? All right, guys, let's get started drawing.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
I really hope WhistlinDiesel appreciates the hard work that I put into this pumpkin form. All right, guys, so we have our design a drawing here. I don't want to show you guys yet. I feel like I need to carve it out first, and then you guys can see it. So let's carve it out and see what it looks like when we're done. You guys don't have to wait. You get to see it in about 2 seconds. All right, guys, the carving of the pumpkin is finally finished. We got everything situated, and I have to say, I am 100% excited for you guys to see what I did for my great buddy, WhistlinDiesel, and all of his Duramaxes that he has and he likes to ruin. This is for you, buddy. Here we go. As you know, we have one last thing to do with this pumpkin, because we don't just make WhistlinDiesel pumpkins and put them on our exhaust tip of our beautiful Duramax truck right here, guys. We don't just do that for no reason. No, we're gonna do something even more fun. Here we go. Does anybody want some pumpkin pie? Some WhistlinDiesel pumpkin pie. We've got some right here, guys. That was fucking amazing. Look at the coal in that pumpkin. Check that shit out. You want to do some driving? Not you personally, but comment below if you like his t-shirt. Maybe we should do some driving. How about you film? He's gonna film, and I'm gonna drive around in the parking lot here real quick and see what it looks like. It should be fun. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it.
What?
I'm assuming it's still on there.
Oh yeah, it's still on there.
That's, you know what? That's a damn good WhistlinDiesel pumpkin there, boys. That's a damn good one. Whew. Let's park this thing. I think we've done enough of damage to the WhistlinDiesel pumpkin, guys. We're gonna park this thing and end this video. All right, boys and girls, holy shit, the video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at that smoked out pumpkin. Let's tear it off and see what it looks like underneath of it here, or inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Pumpkin pie, baby, pumpkin pie. All right, boys, we have one last trick up our sleeve, and you know, got to get rid of this no content, gang. All right, guys, let's get the window up. First and foremost, I don't want anybody to think that I hate WhistlinDiesel. I think he's a great guy. He's a fun guy. He makes amazing freaking videos and footage. Some of you guys might not like him. I think he's a cool dude just because he mainly has a Duramax. Yeah, he beats the shit out of him sometimes, but you know what? That's life and it's entertainment, guys. And YouTube is nothing but entertainment, and you got to keep that in mind. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think, let me know if you were happy, non-happy, whatever the case may be with the video. Other than that, guys, I am out of here. Peace out, Girl Scout.